Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and Rahul here. So today I would like to focus on the punch form tool. Okay, and this is the fourth one video on this video series of sheet metal design. Okay, those who are new on this channel, so kindly subscribe so that you can get all the updates and notification related to my YouTube channel and keep learning. And I hope you would also like this video also. So let's get started. And if you wanted the videos of previous video of my channel, I will give the link of that video, first video, second video and third video in the description of this video. So let's get started. So our command is here, but this command is now in inactive phase. Okay, so first of all we have to must start it by using this planar command. Okay, click on this planar and click on this front plane, and next make it in sketch view. Here is your sketch view, and next take the center rectangle from here and draw it over here and click on this OK. Now this system will create this primary all. Click on this green tick mark of the 1 millimeter thickness, and next now you can observe in this ribbon most of the commands are in active phase. Okay, so my command is here. Click on this form. Here you can see punch form is here. Click on this punch form. Now system is asking to me select geometry item to define the form placement. I would like to make on the surface. Click on the surface. My punch is here. Okay, now you can observe here around this punch there are two boxes, rectangular boxes for adjusting or for defining the position or location of that punch. Okay, vertical and horizontal. So just go around it and click on this and hold it and drag it to this axis. Okay, so here the distance, or this system will show the distance between this, and this is remaining now second one. So click on this, hold it and drag up to this axis. Okay, now here you can see like this. You can see the preview of that punch. Okay, click on this. Here you can see your punch is generated by the system. Okay, now click on this green mark. Again click on this form, and next click on this punch form. Okay, if you wanted, I would like to change this punch form tool. So here are different libraries of the punches by the system automated, so you can choose from them also. Okay, here you can see like this. So take any one punch from this library. Okay, now it is generated at the center of these two planes. Okay, you can observe here. Go to placement, select item and click on the surface. Okay, next again do the process which way the process has been done for this, like this. Click on this, click, hold it and drag up to the planes. Okay, like this. And friends, you can adjust the position like this. Okay, by putting a dimension over here. And next here you can see this is the reference plane. Okay, means we have selected this first reference plane. If you click on this, here it will show in green color. Next you can placement, in the placement direction you can play this direction also. Here you can observe like this. Okay, And next, here is the add rotation about the first axis. Okay, if you click on this, you can add the rotations. Here this is generated, this is now 0 0. I would like to make it a 45. Click on this 45. You can observe here this modification. Okay, it is at the 45 degree about the first axis. And next, here they are in, click on these options. Okay, before clicking on this, just see the preview of this. Okay, again resume it, flip the direction, again check the preview. Okay, your punch is generated over here like this. Okay, see from the bottom side also like this. And if you wanted to edit this, so click on this first form, right click here. No, first of all click on this green mark. Okay, and next go click on, right click on this form 1, edit definition. Okay, now click on this option, and here is one option, extruded punch model surface. Click on this. If I select the surfaces which I wanted to extrude, okay, I wanted these two surfaces, this and this. Okay, and you can see the preview here. Okay, like this. Click again on this resume, click on these options. If you wanted to remove that extruded surfaces, these two, click on this detail, click on this. Okay, right click here and remove here. Okay, you can remove one by one also. Click on OK and click on this preview. You can see here. Okay, like this. Click on this green mark. Now these punches are generated. Okay, and actually this application of this is in most of the industry. There is a work of the punches and dies. Okay, so we have to design according to customer drawing the punches and dies. So in system, most of the punches are in library, so you can choose from that also, but most of the times we have to make that punches separately. Okay, and insert to that sheet. So we will see that part in the next video. Okay, now this is all about how to use punch form tool in sheet metal work. Okay, thank you very much friend for watching this video. If you like it, so share this link or channel to your friends who are in mechanical field.